say it's going to be easy, but it's tedious, but it's happening. Okay, it's hard to show you guys, probably. On the second one going in. But they will. You can wrap them. Yes, it's in. There we go. Right, that's 2 in. We got 2 in. Okay, 2 more to go. 2 more to go. But it's tedious, and that took me a while to do, so I'm not going to sit here and stand here and do it and stress out, or you watch me stress out. Okay, I've got some more to cut and do, but it's happening, so you can rebuild this. You can rebuild it, guys, and it will save you some pennies. So, catch you later.